Want quick explanations of your metrics without digging through dashboards? With Ask AI and Agency Analytics, you can type any question and get clear, data-backed insights in seconds. Here's how to use it. In the top navigation of your account, click Ask AI. This opens the Ask AI sidebar, where you can type your own question or choose from one of the suggested prompts like Summarize my data. Ask AI instantly analyzes the dashboards and widgets you're viewing and gives you an easy-to-understand explanation of your performance. Ask AI cites its sources, linking directly to performance reports and dashboards, so you always know where the answer comes from. You can refine your questions at any time, ask follow-up questions, or explore the suggested prompts to dig deeper into your data. This helps you to quickly understand trends, spot issues, and get client-ready explanations without switching screens or pulling manual reports. And that's it. Ask AI gives you instant, trustworthy insights that make your reporting more efficient and more impactful. Ready to speed up your data analysis? Start your free trial with Agency Analytics today and start reporting smarter, not harder.